Creating a landing page in WordPress is a powerful way to drive conversions, whether you're promoting a product, collecting emails, or launching a campaign. In this video, I'll show you how to make a landing page on WordPress. So to get started, go ahead and head over into the Pages tab. And then once you're on the Pages tab, go ahead and click on Add Page, which you'll find at the right side of the Pages tab. So that will allow you to add a new page on your WordPress website. So that will take you into a new tab. So you can build a landing page using the WordPress block editor, which requires no plugin, a page builder plugin like Elementor, Pro, or Thrive Architect, and a theme with built-in landing page templates. So after you have created a new page, in here you can add a title for this page. And then what you'll need to do next is to go ahead and incorporate elements to your page. So create a name for this, and then click on this plus icon to top left of your screen to select from the available elements you can choose from on WordPress. So after naming your page, go ahead and add sections like hero image or video, benefits and features, testimonials, and call to action buttons. So you'll need to search for that into this elements section, and then you'll be able to find the different designs available for you for that specific section. So you'll just need to simply click on that design that you chose and then proceed on the next section that you'll need to select a preset for. So keep it focused, one goal, one CTA. Use compelling headlines and visuals, and add social proof such as reviews, logos, and testimonials. Make it mobile friendly and test and tweak regularly. So this is how it will look like with all of the presets that I've selected. So make sure to customize this preset to fit your preference and the content that you need for this site to contain. And that is how you can basically make a landing page in WordPress. And don't forget to publish your landing page by clicking on that publish button at the top right of your screen. So that is how you can basically do that.